and welcome to Quick Tips with Crystal. This segment is designed to provide you with small changes that you can make to your lifestyle that you'll be able to sustain for a lifetime. So one of the things that we've been discussing is preparation, the importance of preparing your meals and preparing your snacks ahead of time. One meal that is very important is breakfast. Carbohydrates provide you with what you need for your brain to function properly. Your brain does not function properly if you skip breakfast in the morning. So when you choose your breakfast items, you want to choose carbohydrates that are rich in fiber. You don't want to eliminate carbohydrates from your diet. You just want to choose the right type of carbohydrates. This is just an example of a healthy cereal that does provide you with 40% of the fiber that you need in one day. So you're getting most of the fiber that you need in the whole day during breakfast with this cereal. You want to try to stay away from the sugary cereals such as Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes. Those cereals are very high in sugar. So that's not going to be what's best for you if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight or lose weight. If you're like me, you're busy, you don't have time to cook breakfast, you may not even be able to eat cereal because you're on the go. So you may want to invest in some quick, convenient items that you can put in your pantry or put in your refrigerator that you can just grab. So this is a bar that is full of fiber as well. It's made by the same company and it's just as healthy as the cereal is. If you like bagels, you want to choose bagels that are 100% whole wheat. You want to stay away from the white bagels, or if it just says wheat, you want to make sure that it's 100% whole wheat. So that's going to provide you with the fiber that you need. If you like biscuits, you may want to choose an alternative to biscuits like English muffins. There are whole grain or 100% whole grain multi-grain English muffins. You can use this to make a sandwich in the morning. If you want to add some fried egg whites, that's a great source of fiber, as well as a little fat in there with your eggs. But if you do want to make eggs, make sure you're using the egg white. If you use the egg yolk as well, try to modify the amount that you're using. Yogurt is a great source of protein. Some yogurts have some fruits in it. Fruit is a simple sugar, but it does provide you with the nutrients that you need, and it has fiber in it as well. So it's not the same as white sugar. If you are going to add some cream cheese to your bagel, make sure you're choosing a low-fat cream cheese and modify the amount that you're putting on your bagel. What I want you to remember is that when you prepare your meals ahead of time, you're able to control your portion size. You're able to control how much saturated fat is in your meal. You're able to control how much sodium is in your meal as well. You want to try to make changes that you're able to sustain for a lifetime instead of making big drastic changes. In my book, Ready for a Change, I provide you with a lot of healthy tips and just some education that's going to help you to make exercise and nutrition a lifestyle. Please visit my website, crystaleneill.com, and join us for the next segment of Quick Tips with Crystal. Thank you.